Who is the project director of Chandrayaan 3? Shri P. Veeramuthuvel is the project director of Chandrayaan 3. What are the names of the payloads in the lander and propulsion modules in Chandrayaan 3? Lander module payloads are ILSA, Ramba and Chesty. Shape payload is on the propulsion module. Shape payload. What is the theme of mission Chandrayaan 3? Science of the moon. Science of the moon is the theme of mission. Who is the rocket woman of India? Ritu Karidhal. Ritu Karidhal is the rocket woman of India. Ritu Karidhal. Who is the rocket man of India? Shri K. Sivan is the rocket man of India. K. Sivan is the rocket man of India. How many wheels are there in the Pragyan rover? Answer is 6 wheels bearing ISRO logo on them. There are 6 wheels in the Pragyan rover. 6. How many legs does the Vikram lander of Chandrayaan 3 have? 4 landing legs and 4 thrusters. Chandrayaan 3 has 4 landing legs and 4 thrusters. When was ISRO founded and where is its headquarters? ISRO was founded on 15/8/1969. Bangalore is the headquarters. 15/8/1969. Bangalore is the headquarters. Who is the current president of ISRO? Shri S. Somnath is now the president of ISRO. S. Somnath. Who was the first president of ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai, the scientist. Vikram Sarabhai was the first president of ISRO when it was founded. Who is the project director of Mission 2? CARE. The question is Mission 2. M. Vanitha was the project director of Mission 2. Which was the first unmanned spacecraft landed on the moon? Luna. Luna was sent by Soviet Union in 1966. Luna by Soviet Union, the year 1966. What is the gravity of the moon compared to Earth? It is 1/6. How much time light takes to travel to reach the Earth? It is 1.28 seconds. 1.28 seconds light takes to reach the Earth. 1.28 seconds. 1.28. Chandrayaan 2 was launched by which powerful rocket of India? It is GSLV Mark 3. GSLV Mark 3 is the answer. Chandrayaan 3 was launched by which rocket of India? LVM-3M4. LVM-3M4 was used to launch Chandrayaan 3. LVM-3M4. Which instrument will be used to obtain the basic structure around the lander site? Alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, LIBS, that is laser induced breakdown spectroscopy. Both the above is the answer. Alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, laser induced breakdown spectroscopy. It is called APXC and LIBS. Both these instruments are used to obtain the basic structure around the lander site on the moon. Next, under whose leadership the Artemis Agreement was launched with the aim of peaceful human and robotic exploration of the moon? Answer is United States, US. Artemis Pact is related to the moon. India has signed the Artemis Accords in the year 2020 before the Chandrayaan 3 launch. The answer is United States. United States. What is the name of the main rocket engine for Chandrayaan 3? It is called CE-20, cryogenic engine. It is the cryogenic engine CE-20. It is the main rocket engine. What is the distance between the moon and earth? The answer is 3,84,400 kilometers. What is the diameter of the moon? You should know. The answer is 3,478 kilometers. The diameter is 3,478 kilometers. Distance is 3,84,400 kilometers. The next question is, who was the first human to land on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is the man who first landed on the moon. What is the name of the spacecraft that carried Neil Armstrong? It was Apollo 11, sent by NASA. It was in the year 1969. In the year 1969, Apollo 11 was sent by NASA to the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first man who landed on the moon. It was a proud moment for the whole of the earth. How many modules are there in Chandrayaan 3? How many modules are there in Chandrayaan 3? Answer is C, that is 3. There are 3 modules. What are they? Propulsion module, lander module and the rover module. Propulsion, lander and rover module are the 3 modules which are in Chandrayaan 3. Next question. What is propulsion module? Propulsion module is the first part of the vehicle going on a space mission. It gives power to fly any spaceship. The spaceship gets power to fly only from the propulsion module. Next question is, what is lander module? Lander module is the second part. It will be landed on the moon. The lander module will land on the moon. It is responsible for getting the rover to the surface of the moon. Lander is responsible for getting the rover to the surface of the moon. What is a rover? Rover is the third part of the Chandrayaan 3. Rover will land on the surface of the moon through the lander. Rover will move, collect information and images and send the same to the earth, to ISRO. Next question is, who is the present chairman of ISRO? Shri S. Somnath is the present chairman of ISRO. Who was the chairman at the time of launch of Chandrayaan 1? Care, the question is Chandrayaan 1. Shri G. Madhavan was the chairman at the time of launch of Chandrayaan 1. The present chairman is Somnath. At the time of Chandrayaan 1, the chairman was Madhavan. In which mission was found the evidence of water molecules in the moon? It was in mission 1. It was in mission 1. When was the Chandrayaan 2 mission launched and from where? The answer is on 22nd July 2019 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Mission 2 also had a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan. Mission 2 lander name is again Vikram, rover is Pragyan. Which Indian space agency is responsible for the Chandrayaan 3 mission? It is ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization is responsible for the Chandrayaan 3 mission. The next question is, what are the main objectives of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? To land a spacecraft on the moon, to study the moon's surface, to collect information from the moon. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. To land a spacecraft, to study the moon's surface and collect information from the moon and send it to the ISRO, send it to the earth. Where did Chandrayaan 3 land? On the moon. Near the lunar north pole, near the lunar south pole, near the lunar equator, D. near the lunar highlands. The answer is B. near the lunar south pole. Chandrayaan 3 landed near the lunar south pole. South pole is the correct answer. Lunar south pole, Chandrayaan 3. Next question is, what is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? A. 2148 kgs, B. 1752 kgs, C. 3900 kgs, D. 5000 kgs. The answer is A. 2148 kg. The total weight of Chandrayaan 3 is 2148 kgs. It is a little less than Chandrayaan 2. How many throttle-able engines does the lander for Chandrayaan 3 have? A. 4, B. 6, C. 8, D. 10. Answer is A. 4. There are 4 throttle-able engines Chandrayaan 3 has. Who is the project director of Chandrayaan 3 mission? K. Sivan, P. Veeramuthuvel, C. Kailasavadivu Sivan, D. A.S. Kiran Kumar. Answer is B. P. Veeramuthuvel. P. Veeramuthuvel is the project director of Chandrayaan 3 mission. When was the Chandrayaan 3 mission launched? July 14, 2023, August 23, 2023, September 6, 2023, October 1, 2023. The answer is A. July 14, 2023. Chandrayaan 3 mission was launched on July 14, 2023. Remember, it is July 14, 2023. What is the total cost of the Chandrayaan 3 mission? A. Rupees 615 crores, B. 750 crores, C. 900 crores, and D. rupees 1000 crores. The answer is A. 615 crores. Chandrayaan 3 mission total cost rupees 615 crores. Which of the following scientists is not involved? Care, question is not involved in the Chandrayaan 3 mission. A. M. Annadurai, B. Ritu Karidhal, C. Somnath Chatterjee, D. Sanjay Mittal. Answer is D. Sanjay Mittal. Sanjay Mittal was not involved in the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Annadurai, Ritu Karidhal, Somnath Chatterjee, all the 3 scientists were involved in the mission. Which of the following countries is not involved in the Chandrayaan 3 mission? Again, care, not involved is the question. A. United States, B. Russia, C. China, D. France. Answer is D. D. France is the answer. France was not involved in the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Chandrayaan 3 will carry a rover while Chandrayaan 2 did not. True or false? Answer is B. False. Because Chandrayaan 2 also carried a rover. It also carried an orbiter. How many legs and thrusters did Chandrayaan 2 lander carry? Chandrayaan 2 lander carried a central thruster and 5 legs. Chandrayaan 2 lander carried a central thruster and 5 legs. Chandrayaan 3 used a new launch vehicle, the LVM-3M4, while Chandrayaan 2 used the PSLV C-39. True or false? Answer is A. True. Chandrayaan 2 used the PSLV C-39. Chandrayaan 3 carries a more advanced set of scientific instruments than Chandrayaan 2. True or false? Answer is true. Chandrayaan 3 carries more advanced set of scientific instruments than Chandrayaan 2. Next question. Chandrayaan 3 will be a more ambitious mission than Chandrayaan 2. True or false? Answer is true. Of course, Chandrayaan 3 is more ambitious. Youngsters will get inspired by Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 2. True or false? Answer is true. Of course, Chandrayaan 2 is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 3 is more successful than Chandrayaan 2. True or false? Answer is A. True. Chandrayaan 3 is of course successful than Chandrayaan 2. It is a follow-on mission. Chandrayaan 3 is expected to make more significant scientific discoveries than Chandrayaan 2. True or false? Answer is B. False. Chandrayaan 3 is expected to make more significant scientific discoveries. Chandrayaan 3 is expected to inspire more young people in India to pursue careers in science and technology than Chandrayaan 2. Answer is A. True. Of course, Chandrayaan 3 inspires all the youngsters in India to pursue careers in science and technology. Where will Chandrayaan 3 land? On the moon. Near the lunar north pole, near the lunar south pole, near the lunar equator, near the lunar highlands. The answer is of course B. Chandrayaan 3 has landed on the lunar south pole. Chandrayaan 3 has already landed on the lunar south pole. Which of the following is not an accessory of the Chandrayaan 3 lander? Care, the question is not. A. Laser retroreflectory array, alpha particle X-ray spectrometer, panoramic camera, D. High gain antenna. The answer is B. Alpha particle X-ray spectrometer is not an accessory that is used in Chandrayaan 3. The Chandrayaan 3 lander has 4 throttle-able engines. How many of these engines are used for the final descent to the lunar surface? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3 and D. 4. Answer is C, that is 3. Chandrayaan 3 lander used 3. The Chandrayaan 3 lander has a total of 6 scientific instruments. Which of the following is not one of these instruments? The question is again not. A. Terrain mapping camera, B. Lunar laser ranging instrument, C. Chandrayaan 1 camera, D. Surface stereo camera. Answer is C. Chandrayaan 1 camera is not the instrument used in Chandrayaan 3. Question is in negative. So be careful while answering this type of questions. The next question is, the Chandrayaan 3 rover has 6 wheels and a total mass of 300 kg. What is the name of the rover? Answer is A. Pragyan. Pragyan, Vikram, Chandrayaan, Chandrayaan 1 are the 4 options given. The answer is Pragyan. Pragyan is the name of the rover used in Chandrayaan 3 mission. The Chandrayaan 3 mission landed on the lunar south pole. Why is this important? It is an important question. The lunar south pole is thought to have water ice deposits. The lunar south pole is thought to be geologically active. The lunar south pole is thought to be less affected by radiation than other parts of the moon. D. All the above. The answer is D. For all the above reasons, the Chandrayaan 3 mission was planned to be landed on the South Pole. What are some of the scientific objectives of the mission? A. To search for water ice on the moon. B. To study the geology of the lunar south pole. C. To measure the lunar gravity field. D. All the above. Again, the answer is all the above. The scientific objectives were to search for water ice, etc. Next, the Chandrayaan 3 mission is a significant step forward for India's space program. What are some of the benefits of the mission? The mission will help India to become a leading spacefaring nation. B. It will provide valuable scientific data about the moon. It will inspire young people in India to pursue careers in science and technology. The answer is D. All the above. It will, of course, inspire young people in India to pursue careers in science and technology. I think all the questions were very useful. Wish you all the very best. All the best. Thank you.